How to change a list name on Google Maps. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to change a list name on Google Maps easy and fast. So all what you have to do is go to Google Maps. As you can see, this is the home page. Now go to the top here, click on those three lines and click on your places, and here choose the list that you want to change the name of. For example, this one. Click on those three dots and click on edit list, and here you can change the name like this, and here is it now. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later.